So this is how you can download Minecraft for PC. So if you want the Java version, which in my opinion is the better version, you can go ahead and go to your browser and search for Minecraft download. Now that we're here, tap on the very first link. And now you can go ahead and choose Download Launcher for Windows 10 or 11. And there you go. You can go ahead and save this. And now you can download the launcher for Minecraft. But make sure you actually have an account first and that you have the Minecraft game because this game isn't actually free and you have to pay in order to play it. So simply scroll down and as you can see, you can buy Minecraft over here. Once we're here, you can go ahead and select a version, whether it's the Deluxe Collection or Simple Minecraft. They both unlock the Minecraft game. For Deluxe, you can have these add-ons, 1600 mine coins, 5 maps, 5 persona items, 3 emotes, 3 skin packs, 1 texture pack, and for the normal one, which is just Minecraft, you can have Minecraft Java Edition, Bedrock Edition, and the launcher. So once you pick your pack, you're going to want to go ahead and tap on checkout and make sure that you log into an account first before you check out because you're going to want to save payment and that you won't have to buy again. So simply sign up and then put your bank details in order to pay. So once you actually pay, you can go ahead and download the launcher like I showed you in the first video and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.